Okay, a quick note on how exactly do you use Docker Top. So first of all, what is Docker Top? Well, I'm not sure if you are aware of this, but if you're not, top is a general Linux command. Oops, is a general Linux command which displays the running processes on your environment right now. It's a Unix-like operating system command. So Docker uses it for the exact same purpose as well. Um, okay, maybe not exact, but similar purpose as well. So I'll just do a quick Docker PS to see the list of running containers. So I have this one Nginx container running right now. Now, if I want to see which particular processes are running in this given container, what I could do is I could do docker top and then container ID. So it will show me the running processes. Let me bring it in single line. So it will show me the running processes along with their process IDs and the command that that particular process is running to stay activated. So in this case, there's a master process which is running Nginx as a daemon, and then there's a worker process of Nginx. So two processes are running when you start your Nginx container by default, right? Now, let me go into another instance of my machine. So okay, I need the IP address. So this is the IP address. So now what I'll do is I'll run a container in one terminal over here. So I'll say docker run -it ubuntu bin bash. So I'm essentially running bash program inside my ubuntu container in interactive mode so that I have access to the terminal. So over here I do have access to the terminal, and it's waiting for my prompt. Now over here I'll do quick docker ps to see this particular container. So this is the container ID. It's running Ubuntu, started 10 seconds ago. uh, so now I'll do a docker top on this Ubuntu container, and it shows me that there is one process running. As you can see, started by the user ID root. This is the process ID, and this is the command which it is running. Right now, let's say for example, I like using container IDs is a very hassling thing. So with Docker Top, you can also use the container names. So what I could do is I could come out of this and I could run the same Ubuntu container, but give it a name, uh, my Ubuntu Docker, and then pass the image name and then the program to run inside that image. So now when I do docker top my Ubuntu container, I all right, what did I miss? Sorry, it's my Ubuntu Docker. I have the process ID and its details that are running. Now remember, Docker Top only works with running containers. So if I see any stopped containers, okay, now I'll close this terminal. I'll just work on this. So if I see any containers which are no longer running, so it says exited 5 seconds ago. So now if I try to check on my Ubuntu Docker, because it's now exited, it's no longer running, it would show an error. So the error comes that this particular container, the one that starts with 984751, as you can see over here, is not running, right? So essentially, top as a command, its job is to show you the running processes. Now, obviously, when a particular operating system, or in this case, a container is not running, there's essentially nothing running in it, because if it was running, the container would have been kept running in the background at least. Um, so there is nothing to show there, and so it just shows an error response, which is that the hey, container is not running, are you sure what you're asking me to do is correct thing to do? So that was a quick video. The reason I wanted to show it out is because we might end up using this command in our future videos. Uh, Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Please like the videos if you are enjoying this series so far, and let me know in comments on how I can improve or any other areas you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks a lot again. See you in the next video.